Hi all, I'm just going to look to do a video on mean from frequency tables. So key information to look at there is a 4-step system. Whenever working out mean from frequency tables, initially we've got the data, so in this case I've got age and frequency. So age, they've given the variable of x, frequency they've given the variable of f, and so if I want to find fx, I'm multiplying these two frequencies together, the frequency and the age. So the two variables are times together. 12 times 8 gives me 96, 25 times 9 gives me 225, and so on. So first step 1, find fx. Second step, find the total of fx. So I'm just going to sum the total of this column up. 96 plus 225 plus 370 plus 154 will give me the sum of fx. Third step, find the total of the frequency column. So looking for the frequency column, sum the total of these, add them together. 12 plus 25 plus 37 plus 14 gives me 88. And the final thing, to find the mean, if you think to find the mean, normally we add them all together and divide by how many there is. So we've added them all together in the fx column, and then we're going to divide by how many there is, which is the total of the frequency. So we do 845 divide by 88, which gives me 9.6 in this case. So we're going to try and put that into practice on the MyMaths. So question 1, we've got a group of people. They answered this question, and here are the results. So how many times did you shop at Askerberry's last week? So 4 people didn't shop at all, 10 people shopped once, 22 people shopped twice, 9 people shopped 3 times, and 5 people shopped 4 times. So if I want to try and finish these answers here, remember step 1, find f of x. Well, in this case they said visits is equal to v, so f of v is exactly the same as what f of x is. It doesn't matter what this variable is, all I'm doing is multiplying the visits by the frequency. Okay, so 4 times 0 is 0, 1 times 10 is 10, 2 times 22 is 44, 3 times 9 is 27, 4 times 5 is 20. So I'm going to sum this column up now. So I'm just going to bring a calculator in. So I've got 0 plus 10 plus 44 plus 27 plus 20 gives me a total of 101. So 101. Step 3, remember we're going to total the frequency column up. So I've got 4 plus 10 plus 22 plus 9 plus 5 gives me a total of 50. And then the final step, find the mean number of visits. Okay, you may want to fill in the table to help your workings. The mean number of visits, to find that out, 101 divide by 50, 101 divide by 50 equals 2.02. So if you think step 1, multiply these across to give you that value. Step 2, sum all of these values up. Step 3, sum all of these values up to give you that value. And step 4, do the division sum. 101 divided by 50 gives me 2.02. So if we're thinking about that, that was just over 2 visits per time to that shop. Let's have a look at the second one. A cashier answers the question, how many of each of these notes do you have in the till? So again, step 1, multiply across. Okay, so 5 times 32, 160. 10 times 27, 270. 20 times 29, 580. 50 times 12, 600. Okay, step 1 complete. Step 2. Okay, sum the total of this column. So we've got 160 plus 270 plus 580 plus 600. 1610. Step 3, sum the total of the frequency. 32 plus 27 plus 29 plus 12 gives me 100. Step 4, for the value, 1610 divide by 100. Okay, and that's going to give me 16.10, £16.10. And again, if we're thinking logically, we're looking at the question, 16.10 would come in between these two ranges. And if I think about that, that's about halfway through my data. So that would make sense.